Assalamualaikum and very good morning. Today we will present about our company. It is Medi Gloves Sdn Bhd. I will present section 1 about company background. Medi Gloves Sdn Bhd was founded in 2000 by Nur Nabila binti Nazri. The company was registered on 19 May 2000 at the Companies Commission Malaysia. Medi Glove operate in Kuala Ketil, Kedah, starting with a large start-up capital of RM3,000. Medi Glove is able to make a mass production of gloves to its customer while offering reasonable price and can maintain the quality of its product. The company is run by 3 main managers with 50 workers to operate the business smoothly and meet market demand.
Section 2. Costing element and method. Manufacturing cost. For direct material, latex, nitrile, vinyl, polyethylene, RM190,000. For direct material, RM7.50 per hour, 7 hours per day, 50 workers, 26 days per month, total RM819,000. For manufacturing overhead, indirect material, indirect labor, supervisor salary, production manager salary, insurance of factory, depreciation expenses of factory building, depreciation expenses of machinery, property taxes, utility taxes, factory maintenance expenses, SOCSO and EPF. Total $873,700. Non-manufacturing costs. For selling expenses, which is sales promotion, advertising expenses and sales commission, total $29,000. For administration expenses, which is staff salaries, manager salaries, utilities expenses, depreciation expenses of office equipment, depreciation expenses of office furniture, and depreciation expenses of vehicle. Total RM638,400. Cost through work in process. Direct material, direct labor and manufacturing overhead. Next, mixing process. Next, molding process. Next, packaging process. Next, finished goods. Cost of goods and sale. Budgeting manufacturing overhead costs. Overhead costs total RM700,000. Overhead absorption rate OAR for mixing 1,750 per mixer. Moduling RM187.50 per mold. Packaging RM111.11 per pack. Product cost. For direct material, cost per unit RM1.98. For direct labor, cost per unit RM8.53. For manufacturing overhead, mixing RM1.82. Moduling RM1.71. Packaging RM1.73. For total product cost RM50.77.
These are details of Medi Gloves Sdn Bhd productions and sales cost of medical gloves in per unit, which the costs are selling price per unit RM35, direct materials per unit RM1.98, direct labor per unit RM8.53, variable production overheads per unit RM2.20, variable selling and administration expense per unit RM2. Then here have some details of productions and sales units of medical gloves for the months of June and July 2019. Next, budgeted information of medical gloves in per month. Fixed production overheads RM20,000, fixed selling and administration expense RM10,000, normal level production is 8,000 units, and no opening inventory of medical gloves at the start of June 2019. These are the assumptions needed to prepare income statement of profit and loss on absorption and marginal costing basis for both June and July 2019 for MediGlove Sdn Bhd. This is MediGlove Sdn Bhd absorption costing statement of profit and loss for the month June and July 2019. Here we can see that the net profit of MediGlove Sdn Bhd is Rm 5,480 in June 2019, while net profit for July 2019 is Rm 101,900. And this is MediGlove Sdn Bhd marginal costing statement of profit and loss for the month June and July 2019. Here also we can see that the net profit of MediGlove Sdn Bhd is Rm 15,480 in June 2019, while net profit for July 2019 is Rm 106,900.
Section 4. Critical thought of activity-based costing method. Activity-based costing is a costing method whereby overhead costs are assigned to activity instead of assigning them to product and service. ABC implementation usually focus on indirect costs, which include production overhead, selling, general and administrative expenses. Given this focus on ABC method, the accuracy of the cost will be significantly increased. Activity-based costing have both advantages and disadvantages. But first, we look at the advantages of ABC, which is ABC allow the company for continuous improvement. By truly measuring and looking at the cost and cost driver of different process and activity, improvement can be made. Thus, by using ABC, the budgeted cost will have better prepared as the company has a clear view on trace activity that drive the cost and where the high and low volume of product. Next, we look at the disadvantages of ABC, which is this method might be costly to implement as change take place from the traditional method of charging overhead. Moreover, ABC does not comply with the Generally Accepted Accounting Principle (GAAP) because it does not assign all manufacturing costs, especially fixed overhead, to product. Lastly, ABC method could be heavy use of information technology because the company needs to collect a lot of data, convert them into information, and analyze the information to extract reason for implementing a particular decision.
As a conclusion, in the business world of those various aspects, management accounting has become an integral part of management, which aim to guide and advise corporate decision maker at every step of the way. Management accounting not only improve management efficiency but also improve employee efficiency. Based on the information provided by this method, business owner can move forward, innovate, and take risks without fear. Proper management accounting should be carried out in organizations that should have the ability to grow according to changing business strategy in relation to the market. MediGlove Sdn Bhd that use activity-based costing method in cost calculation. The ABC method has its advantage and disadvantage that have stated in section 4.